any particular speech consists of three parts. The three parts are ethos, pathos, and logos. Ethos basically means developing trust, and pathos basically means appeal to emotion, and logos basically means proof. Let's dive a little deeper in these particular things. What is ethos? So ethos are the ability to build trust with the public or the people you are talking, and ability to build credibility. People believe what you are saying and they listen to you, they are listening to. The next thing is pathos. What is pathos? Pathos is about the ability to make connection with the audience, and we can say appeal to emotion. What is the third thing? The third thing is logos. Logos is the proof or argument, proof for your particular argument, reason, statement, or reports behind your statement. If you are speaking without any kind of proofs, reasons, reports, people won't believe you and they will pass you. Or so using these particular thing, we are going to draft a particular speech and we are going to deliver it. So you are supposed to take pick one particular topic, and you have to apply these particular thing, ethos, pathos, and logos, and you have to draft a little speech and you have to then deliver it. I would listen to that. So you can pick any topic, the environmental concern, about your best friend, about your best trip in the past or in the school, whatever the topic is. So let's say air pollution in Delhi. That is the topic. You need to suppose to write one particular speech. You can use your pen, paper, or you have to include all these three things, ethos, pathos, or logos. If you know, you can draft that is particular speech according to you, you can do that. But you need to take care of the three things. That is, it must include introduction, body, and conclusion.
Sir, can I start?
Yes, yes, you can.
Currently, Delhi is suffering from air pollution due to more number of people and vehicles, and they're cutting down of trees. This is because they need papers for wooden sofas and etc. and papers for writing. And children in Delhi and in many parts of the world are wasting papers which comes from trees. Trees trees gives oxygen to people for living. And there are many people going in cars and other vehicles alone. So they can use the public transport given by the government to save air pollution. And Delhi is burning many plastics because they are having no space to keep the wastage. Burning plastic kills the topsoil of the particular soil in Delhi, which leads to the erosion of trees. For this, Delhi has to avoid cutting down of trees and wastage of papers and use public transport.
Your speech is amazing. So what you have given, that is absolutely, you included the ethos, pathos, and logos. So let me quickly summarize what we have talked about. So you talked about, you give a chilling introduction, we can say, that the number of people, number of vehicles or cutting in the particular trees in the Delhi leads to the air pollution. That is a true reasonable fact. That apart from that, you save that importance of oxygen, basically importance of the air, and thereafter you go to the solution part. So usually people lack this particular thing, like they only talk about the argument or the problem, they don't give any solution. You gave a solution which is we can say pretty good. You said that people can reduce the number of vehicles or stop cutting forested, they can use public transport instead of using their own, so which is given by the government. Burning plastic is also a environmental concern which leads to the air pollution. And burning plastic and all that particular thing, air pollution in turn can lead to the soil erosion, which is a true we can say scientific fact. And you ended with that particular conclusion. So your speech was absolutely fabulous.